Oh dear, just take a look at that. So Los Cristianos market is on, so we're going to try and see what it's like there. We're just keeping our fingers crossed, and hopefully it'll get sunny here. I think around about 1 o'clock, possibly 2. We'll wait and see. Fingers crossed.
This is not what you expect now, is it?
No. But you know, it's like warm rain, so
Yeah.
it's not cold.
It doesn't matter how nice you make it sound, it's still wet.
Gotta try and remain positive. Well, okay. The first thing you notice is there's not as many stores open, and not as many people. This was heaving last Sunday. So let's take a look. That's very quiet. What do you reckon?
It's very quiet, not used to seeing it like this.
Well, it's only 24 minutes past 10 and a lot of these store holders are packing away, and I don't blame them because there's hardly anybody here. It's raining, a bit gloomy, and I don't think they'd make many sales today. So anyway, we're going to carry on and see what we can find, see if there's anything else. The sky is getting a bit brighter, but it's still raining.
It's getting heavier actually.
Do you know what though? I wouldn't let any of you back at home. Don't let it stop you coming out here in January just because you get the odd bit of rain. That's the chance you take, and that can happen any month. So we just happened to pick, well, we didn't pick the day, but we just got one of those days. At least it's not a storm.
You have to laugh about it.
Yeah, it's not a Kalima. Why have they got that? Look,
Oh my
look at this.
God.
I just turned this around here. They've actually got the sprinklers on, and it's raining.
Oh my god.
Just imagine it sunny.
It's not going to happen.
Look at that. It's absolutely dead. Oh, I've got a booty. Yeah, my socks are soaking. Let's have a look. Do you know what? I better put this away. I don't think these Osmo Pocket 3s, Osmo 3s are meant to be out in the rain. Okay, so here's one idea. Siam Mall. We're going to check this out, see what it's like. So, are you feeling peckish, babe?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Yes.
You gone through all the shops?
Yep.
Some bargains?
No, not for me. Anyway.
Not for
There's
you.
lots maybe for other people.
Okay. All right. Well, this looks a good place. Look, quick snack. VIP Smart. Where have we come?
A noodle box.
We've come to the Noodle Box. Yeah, it's brightening up out there, but it's still it's still kind of it's rain in the air. So we've come to this place, the Noodle Box, and we've gone for. You can basically pick your noodles or rice or whatever you want, and then your fillings too. And that guy over there, he cooks it for you. And some menus. Anyway, Sandra, it's not been so bad today, has it? It's been raining a bit, but we found things to do.
We have. We've come to Siam Park and we've been kept busy.
Yeah,
Nice place to go for all if you want to do a bit of shopping.
and there's some cheap stores there, some bargains.
There is.
And also plenty of places to eat as well.
Yeah.
And some places are fairly pricey, and others not so bad. I mean, for what we got, those two noodles, normal noodle boxes, and some skewers, just over €31.
Yeah.
And
With 2 drinks.
let's take a look at the food now. Okay, very careful. It's a slippery floor there. So what we got there? We got some skewers. These cost €6, and these, I'm not sure what they cost. What do they cost? €5 each. So let's take a look inside.
There you go.
Okay, that's my one because that's got prawns in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Look forward to that. Let's have a closer look. There we go.
Mine has chicken.
And you have chicken. Let's tuck in. Right, look at that. Bit of blue sky up there. So that didn't last for too long. It served a purpose, didn't it, Sandra?
It did.
Yeah, there's plenty to see in there.
Good place to come on a rainy day.
And the food was delicious.
It